Hi guys, welcome to today's video. We'll be talking about uploading your product, uploading your services, and making your first sale. To upload your product, you can use the shortcut key at the dashboard, or you go to the product and services section and click on add product and services. Once the page loads, you will see two distinctive menus at the first drop down under the type field, a product or a service. If you're uploading the product, obviously you choose the product option. If you scroll down, you will notice there's a quantity field which you have to fill. If you choose service and you scroll down, you will see that the quantity field has disappeared. Our system sees a product as a physical item you can touch and can be quantified, and sees the service as an item that you cannot touch and you cannot quantify. That is why you don't have the quantity field. Every other details on this section that you're going to fill for the product and the service remains the same. So we input the name for the product. Take for example, full chicken. It's already in the system. We'll click. Then the code, we could use CHFUL. And we remain the barcode symbology as code 39. Then we pick a category. Based on our previous video, we choose general as the category. Then the cost price, the selling price, and then the tax value. We could use 4% or 4 as the value we want to use. And the tax method is going to be inclusive or is going to be no tax. If we have any picture we want to use to identify products handy, we can also upload it and make sure that the pixel size is 800 by 800, and any other details could be added to this. Also, if we're uploading a service, then we must be very careful to establish the cost price and the selling price of a service. Let's use the barber as an example. A barber has 3 seats and he has maybe 4 or 5 guys that uses those seats. He pays each guy 200 naira and he collects 500 naira for each haircut. That means his cost price is going to be 200 naira and the selling price is going to be 500 naira. Having declared all this, then we'll go down and say add either product or service depending on which of them we are uploading onto the platform. Also, we could play around the import product, the barcode, and the labels option. With this, we know we have products in the platform to sell. We can now go to the POS section. Once the POS section loads, we'll see a full graphical display of all the items that can be sold on the system. I can click on this and click on delivery within a specific region which has been pre-configured as a service on the platform, and I will click on payment. Just before that, we can hold the transaction if the transaction is sold on credit, or it has a billing cycle of about 2 weeks, 3 weeks, depending on when the product is going to be, the service is going to be paid for. If we choose the payment button with green button, we'll have this menu, and we can input the values either using the touch screen. So assuming the customer pays 7,000 naira, the system deducts 7,000 from 6,300, which is the total sum, and calculates the profit onto the system and calculates the net change that the customer is supposed to be given. We could print directly to a POS machine or any printer as previously configured, and we could email this to the customer. The email address is in there. We say OK. You go to the box or go back to the POS. That's all for making sale, and thank you for watching.